Listen, 7 English mistakes that make you sound weak. Fix them now. Mistake 1. I didn't knew. Say, I didn't know. Mistake 2. Discuss about. Say, discuss. Mistake 3. More better. Say, better. Seriously, still saying this? Mistake 4. Repeat again. Say, repeat. Mistake 5. I am agree. Say, I agree. Mistake 6. Myself, Rohan. Say, I am Rohan. Mistake 7. He don't. Say, he doesn't. Fix these today. Speak confident tomorrow. Follow and subscribe to Speak English for daily power tips. Thank you.